Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of some popular Thanksgiving foods in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these Thanksgiving foods together. Let's give it a try. Corn on the cob. Corn on the cob. Corn on the cob. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Yams. 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 Stuffing. 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 Green bean casserole. Green bean casserole. Green bean casserole. Biscuits. 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 Turkey. 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 Gravy. 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 Cranberries. 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 Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Apple pie. Apple pie. Apple pie. Pecan pie. Pecan pie. Pecan pie. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, wishing you a good Thanksgiving. Please stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye!